In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert page breaks in Google Docs. If you're working on a document and want to move content to the next page in a clean, professional way, using a page break is the best option. It helps you control your layout without repeatedly pressing the Enter key, which can make formatting harder to manage later. To get started, go to your Google Doc and open the document where you want to add the page break. Once you're inside the file, take a moment to locate the exact spot where you want a new page to begin. This is important because Google Docs will insert the break wherever your cursor is placed. Next, make sure your cursor is positioned exactly where you want the page break to appear. For example, if you want a new section, heading, or paragraph to start on the next page, click just before that content. If you place the cursor in the wrong location, the break may split your text in a way you didn't intend, so it's worth double-checking before moving on. After your cursor is in the right place, go to the top menu and click on Insert. This menu contains a variety of options for adding elements to your document, including images, tables, and formatting tools like breaks. From there, click on Page Break. As soon as you do that, Google Docs will move everything after your cursor down to the next page. You should immediately see the content shift, creating a new page exactly where you wanted it. This is especially useful when you're formatting reports, essays, proposals, or any document where sections need to begin on a fresh page. It keeps your layout neat and makes future edits much easier. One helpful tip is to use page breaks instead of manual spacing whenever possible. If you add or remove content later, the page break will stay consistent, while extra blank lines can throw off the entire document. That makes page breaks a much more reliable formatting tool, and that's all it takes to insert a page break in Google Docs. Once you know where to place your cursor and where to find the page break option, under the Insert menu, the process becomes quick and easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.